Students, let's learn addition word problems. So we have the first word problem today from your page number 38. So let's read the first one. In a school, class second has 3 sections, A, B and C. There are 38 students in class second A, 36 in class second B and 39 in class second C. What is the total number of students in class second? So, we know through this word problem, in class second A, 38 students are present. In class second B, 36 students. And in class second C, there are 39 students. So what we need to find here? We should find out the total number of students in class second standard. So what we need to do? We need to add class second A, second B and second C all together, and we need to find out what is the answer. That is the total number of students in second standard. So let's move and write the. So let's write the solution. 1. Students in class second A, 38. Students in class second B, how many? 36. Students in class second C, that is 39. So, therefore, total number of students in class second. So, what we need to find out? Total number of students. So, draw a solution box, write 38, 36 and 39. Add them. What is your answer? 113. So, therefore, total number of students in class second equals to 113. Next, number 2 we have Shruti paid rupees 57 for tomatoes and rupees 65 for onions. How much money did she spend in all? Once again I will repeat. Shruti paid rupees 57 for tomatoes and rupees 65 for onions. How much money did she spend in all? So we know Shruti purchased tomatoes and how much rupees she spent? 57 rupees. Again what she purchased? Onions. How much she spent? Rupees 65. So, all together, how much money did she spend? What you need to do? You need to add tomatoes amount plus onions amount. That is rupees 57 plus rupees 65, and you will come to know how much money did she spend in all. Let's move to the next one. Number 3. In a flower shop, there are 72 orchids, 57 roses and 25 lilies. How many flowers are there in the shop? So in a flower shop, there are 72 orchids, 57 roses and 25 lilies. So we know there are 72 orchids. And what we know? 57 roses and 25 lilies are there in the flower shop. So how many flowers are there in the shop? So how many flowers are there in the shop? How will you understand? We need to find by adding 72 orchids plus 57 plus 25. So altogether how much? So let's write solution. Number 1, orchids equal to 72. Roses equal to 57. Lilies equal to 25. So therefore, total flowers in the shop. What we need to find out? Total flowers in the shop. Do a solution box. Write 72 plus 57 plus 25. So add them, children. What is your answer? We get 154. So therefore, total flowers in the shop equals to 154. So here we have found out how many flowers are there in the shop. That is, our answer is 154. Let's move to the next one. Number 4. A restaurant sold 470 bowls of noodles on Tuesday, 309 bowls on Wednesday, and 163 bowls on Thursday. How many bowls of noodles were sold in 3 days? So we know that is a restaurant, and 470 bowls were sold on Tuesday. 309 bowls of noodles were sold on Wednesday, and 163 bowls were sold on Thursday. So how many bowls of noodles were sold? How to find out? All together how much? So add them, children. 470 plus 309 and 163. So let's write the solution. And we will find, and let's find the answer. Solution. Number 1. Bowls of noodles on Tuesday, 470. Bowls of noodles on Wednesday, 309. Bowls of noodles on Thursday, 163. Therefore, bowls of noodles sold in 3 days. How to find out? Draw a solution box. Add 470 plus 309 plus 163. What is the answer you get? 942. So 942 bowls of noodles were sold in 3 days. That is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. When we add, we got 942 bowls of noodles were sold. So I hope so you have understood the word problems. So you need to write these word problems in your notebook. Thank you.